One of the most common questions I hear from small business owners in Australia is, how do I make sure GST is handled properly when I send an invoice? Well, luckily, both MYOB and Xero make this process straightforward. You just need to know where to look. So in this video, we're going to break it down. So let's start with Xero. When you create a new invoice, you're going to notice that there's a column for tax rates. So if your business is registered for GST, you want to select the correct GST rate for each line item, which is usually GST on income. So Xero will then automatically calculate the GST portion and add it to the total at the bottom of the invoice. So this way, you won't need to manually crunch numbers. Now, in MYOB, it kind of works in a similar way. When entering an invoice, simply make sure that the tax inclusive or tax exclusive setting matches how you want the amounts displayed. Then, simply choose the GST code for each item or service. So MYOB will calculate the GST automatically, and you'll then be able to see it reflected in the invoice total. So the key in both platforms is making sure your items and accounts are set up with the right GST codes from the beginning. That way, when you raise invoices, the tax treatment flows through automatically. And when it comes time to load your BAS, all those GST amounts are already tracked correctly. So really, it comes down to selecting the right tax code when you enter the invoice, letting the software calculate GST for you, and finally, double checking your item and account setups to avoid mistakes down the line. And that's literally how you keep GST compliance stress-free in both MYOB and Xero. So if you found this breakdown insightful, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe, then we'll see you on the next one.